Are you looking to create a clean and cinematic intro like this using CapCut for PC? You are in the right place. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Start by importing a solid black background into your timeline. This will serve as the base layer for your intro. Next, add a new text layer. Type in your desired title or intro text. Make sure to choose a bold font, something that stands out clearly against the background. Adjust the size of the text by scaling it to fit the scene properly. Also, make sure to extend the length of the text layer on the timeline to match the duration you want the intro to last. Once your text is in the place, select the text layer and head over to Animation Palette. Under the Animation tab, browse through available options. Choose an animation that best fits your cinematic style. For example, I will go with this one that gives a smooth and professional interest. After applying the animation, it's time to group our elements. Select both the black background and the text layer by holding down the shift key, then click right and choose make compound clip. This will combine them into a single layer for easier editing. Now import the video clip you want to use as your background, drag it onto the timeline and place it below the compound clip we just created. Click on the compound clip to select it, then go to the blend mode settings, change the blend mode to multiply. This will allow the background video to show through the text depending on the look you are going for. You can also adjust the opacity to make the effect more intense. Try experiment with other blend modes like overlay or screen to see which one works best for your specific video. And that's it. You have just created a cinematic text reveal intro in CapCut PCs. Simply clean and effective. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy to follow video editing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye.